What if I told you that the secret to becoming rich was discovered over 4,000 years ago? In the ancient city of Babylon, the wealthiest man shared timeless rules that can still make anyone rich today. In this video, I'm sharing those 7 golden rules from the richest man in Babylon, explained in a simple, powerful way. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Always keep a portion of your income for yourself before paying anyone else. At least 10% of what you earn should go into savings. Most people pay their bills first and save nothing. But wealthy people always pay themselves first. If you don't do this, you'll work your whole life for others and never for yourself. Rule number 2, control your expenses. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Track your spending. Cut out the waste. Don't buy things just to impress others. Ask yourself every time, do I really need this? Rule number 3, make your money work for you. Saving is good, but investing is what creates real wealth. Put your money to work in stocks, businesses, or real estate. Every dollar you earn is your employee. Train it to bring more employees back to you. Rule number 4, avoid losses and get good advice. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Take advice only from experienced people who've done what you want to do. Preserving your wealth is just as important as growing it. Rule number 5, make your home an asset. If you rent forever, you're paying for someone else's dream. If done wisely, owning your home can help you build wealth. But make sure it's affordable and adds value, not stress. Rule number 6, secure your future. You won't always be able to work, so plan today for tomorrow. Build passive income sources like rental income, dividends, or digital products. Financial freedom comes when your money works, and you don't have to. Rule number 7, grow your skills to grow your income. Wealthy people always invest in themselves. Read books, learn high-income skills. Surround yourself with successful people. The more you grow, the more your income will grow. These 7 rules are simple, but life-changing. Follow them, and you'll move closer to financial freedom every single day. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment your favorite rule. And don't forget to subscribe to Book 2 Millionaire for more timeless wisdom to grow your wealth.